in today's video is another exciting Temu haul. I feel like I need to bring you guys like weekly Temu hauls because I do so many of them and I love it so much. I'm literally addicted to Temu, and oh my gosh, as I'm speaking I just did another Temu order. So after this you're gonna see another Temu video very shortly because I love it. I'm always finding really amazing pieces. So today's video is a lot of like kind of like random pieces. I have some jewelry, some accessories, kitchen gadget, home decor, stuff like that. I'm gonna get right into it, guys, but before we begin, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And if you like this type of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my YouTube algorithm. And one more thing I do want to mention, if you're interested in anything that I'm wearing, just know I will have that link under what I'm wearing. This is from Shein. It's only like $4 and I have in 3 colors. I love this top. These are Walmart. They're the spiral gold hoop earrings. They're only $3.88. They're just amazing. And then this one is from Sephora. It is Summer Fridays in the color Poppy. It's a lip butter balm that's tinted, the best. Makes your lips look juicy, plump, and it kind of looks like those volumizing lip gloss that stings, but this one doesn't. It's just amazing. So I highly recommend it. And my everyday bracelet, this is the cross bracelet, sterling silver. I got it on Amazon for $14.99. I got the 5 ml size. You can get the bigger cross size. I really love it. I literally wear this every day. I shower with this, sleep with it. I never take it off. So just want to mention it in case you guys are like curious. That's what I have on. Without further ado, let's get right into this video, starting off with this right here. So this is a brooch. I've been wanting this because I just thought this was super cute. It does remind me of like Chanel. It is so pretty. Does it not remind you of Chanel? Like, you know, that the rose flower that they put on the packaging. I just love this. Absolutely adore it. It has like this is like porcelain, and then it has like pearls all over. I feel like this is perfect to put like on a really beautiful top or maybe a blazer, you know, maybe even a purse, who knows. And here's the brooch. You just put it. It's just so cute. This was only like $2. And then moving on to these pens. I went crazy for these pens. They come in an 8-pack, I think. Let me see, 3, 6, yeah, 8. So I just thought these were really cute. It has the rose gold, and I just thought these were super fun. So the first set is this one right here where it's in like water and it has glitter on it. It is super adorable. And I also got this one right here which has white polka dots with rose gold. It has a diamond on it. I just think these are very aesthetically pleasing. This one is very sleek. Look at that, guys. So cute. This one has a heart rhinestone. This one has a pearl. I love this. This one is just all glitter. This is probably one of my favorites. Absolutely love it. Opens like this. And then this one is another rhinestone, like that. And then this one is more of a matte mauve color. Just super cute. I absolutely love these pens. I cannot wait to wear them. To use them. I'm gonna probably have one of them on my nightstand somewhere there, because I always have a pen next to my nightstand, because I'm that person that if I have a thought or an idea, I write it down before I forget about it. So I always have a pen nearby. And then moving on to this right here, I'm gonna just pick as I go, guys. It is kind of random, but I'm gonna do that because if I try to organize it, it's gonna take forever. So hopefully you guys don't mind. But this is my third purchase of this right here. So this is an egg shaper. I have the round one and I have the heart shape, and I decided to get the star because I think this is fun, especially for kids if you're doing like sunny side up eggs. I just thought that would be really cute. It does actually work. It's really amazing. You close it like so, and when you use it, you just put it like that, remove it, and take the egg out. It is super adorable. And then moving on to this brooch right here. I got this brooch because first of all, I thought it was super adorable. It looks like this. It's with gold and it has rhinestones everywhere. It is so beautiful. And the reason why I got this is because obviously you can use it on the blazer or whatever, but I actually got it for this bag right here. So I got this bag on rehos.com. It's like $14, and I absolutely love this bag. This is removable, so you can use it on other bags, but I just thought this is such a cute bag. But to be honest with you, I don't like the fact that it says fashion and bags right here. I honestly feel like it kind of cheapens the look. That's just my opinion. So what I decided to do, hopefully I don't mess it up, we will see. I'm thinking of putting this brooch right here, and what the thing I really love about it is that it fully covers that, and I just feel like it goes together really well. Like, it's so cute, more dressy and fun, and it goes amazing. Like, it just fits perfectly. It feels like it was made for this. So I cannot wait to put this on and see how it looks. And I'm thinking I might get one more of these because I love it so much. It's such great quality. It does not look cheap whatsoever. Tell me guys if you're into brooches. I absolutely love brooches. I just think they're so pretty. And I mean, you can obviously put it like on a top as well and look really cute. Or I just had a thought. You can actually put this right here, like one on each of your, like, what's it called? Shoulder? Like right here. Right here on like one of your jackets or blazers, and that would look super cute and dressy. You can do whatever the heck you want with it, but it's only like $3, super affordable. And then I also had to get one more pen. This was, I think, like $1, or no, actually it was like 89 cents. Wanted to get it because I really like the fact that it looks like a bamboo and it just goes with my aesthetics. Obviously I'm going to use these for my bedside as well, but I was thinking, if not, I'll use one of these for like having them in my bag, and this would be for my nightstand. I don't know, we'll see. But I really like this. I think I'm gonna get like a few more because I really like it. It feels like real bamboo, and I like that it closes, because when I put it in there, if the pen doesn't have anything like this where it snaps closed, it kind of messes up my inside of my thing. So this is super cute, guys. Just literally like 86 cents. It's just really beautiful. Highly recommend if you're looking for aesthetically pleasing pens. So I got that. I also got this, which this I think was really cool as well. Don't bring it to any amusement parks because they're gonna take it away, by the way. But you can actually put this on a keychain, and what it is a tiny screwdriver. It's really convenient. Trust me, it comes in handy. It's double-ended. So it has this side right here, and you screw it back in like so, and then it has the other side that is a little bit different. This says that you can also use it for your glasses if you need to fix glasses, but this comes in handy, guys, more than you will know. So I knew this is something I wanted to get. I like to have useful, cute little things that on my keychain that I know I'm gonna need at some point. So this was only like, I think 50 cents. And oh my gosh, I got two of these that honestly I feel like you guys need them. This is really genius, and I was really happy to get these. So it kind of looks like the command strip style thingamajig, but it's for your toilet. And what exactly is this? Well, this basically, you put these two foams in between and you attach it underneath your toilet seat. Every time you want to put the seat down, you could put the seat down without touching the bottom part of the toilet seat, because that is always yucky. It does have the Velcro where you could stick this on. I like that. I think that is like a really cool hack, so we don't have to touch the nasty toilet. I have a thing for that. It grosses me out. So I think this is really cool. It's like $1 for a 2-pack. Really, really cool. And then, guys, I got these Gucci inspired earrings. I thought these were super cute. They're really great quality, guys. They actually look quite expensive. They do not look cheap whatsoever. They are adorable. I cannot wait to wear them. They're very comfortable. I did already try them on to see how they look, and they are legit. They're so good. I think there were like $3. I'm sorry guys, I don't know the actual price of these, but all the pricing will be down in the description box. Moving on to a cross necklace. This one says that it's sterling silver, so I got really excited about that. I've been wanting a silver cross necklace for the longest time, and when I seen that this says it is sterling silver, I thought that was cool and I need to pick it up. This was about $2 and I really love it. This definitely is worth every penny, guys. You guys need to pick this up. It has like the pave stones right here. It is silver. Now I have gold and I wanted a silver cross necklace. I don't see the stamp 925, so I don't know if it's really silver. We will see if it lasts. But I think the quality is made fairly well. I really like the way it looks. It looks really nice. It's very sparkly, super duper cute. You guys know I have a thing for crosses. It represents my belief in Jesus Christ. I'm dying on the cross for our sins. So this is very sentimental to me and very symbolic, so I love crosses. And then I also got this, which I love for like on the go. I think this is perfect for on the go. I actually have one, but I wanted to get something more like this, and I'm really happy with this. This is an on the go spoon, fork, chopsticks, and butter knife set. It looks like this. It has its own little box, and then you open it up like so. You do have to put it together, so they come like this, and if you need to use the butter knife, all you gotta do is connect it, and then you're ready to go. And when you're done, you put it back together in there. It does come with the fork and the spoon. I absolutely love this. This comes in handy, guys. I prefer to use this than the restaurant forks and spoons, for my daughter especially, and I just think this is a genius product. Really cool. And when you're done, all you gotta do is put it back in here, and when you get home you can wash it and reuse it because it is reusable. This definitely is a genius hack. I think it was only like $4. And then, oh my gosh, I really love this. I'm very looking forward to using this. So this is supposed to be the dupe to the Amazon foot peeling mask. So the Amazon foot peeling mask is $27 for 3 of them, and if you buy one it's like $15. This was only like, I believe, $4, and it's the tea tree mint exfoliating foot mask, and it shows how it like peels off. The next item is this right here. You guys know I'm all about neutral vibes up in here, and I really like this canvas print. I'm gonna have to buy the frames for it, but I just love these two together. They just look so pretty. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but look at that. This is more of a lighter, it's kind of hard to tell, but looks like that. And I just love these two together. They look really pretty. I'm gonna buy a light wood frames for these. These are 12 by 16. And I just love them. They're really pretty. I bought canvas from Temu before, and they turn out so well. They're really great quality, and the print ends up being very nice. It actually looked really expensive. It does not look cheap. And that one was only like $3 for 2 canvas prints. It's really affordable. And then last but not least, I decided to get this right here. So this is the Propolis lip mask, and it's like a really cute little lip mask. Looks like this. Does it give me direction? It's not written in English, so I don't know how often I'm supposed to use it, but basically you open it up like so, and it has the cutest little thing right here where you can use this like so. So you open it up, and then you open the jar. I already used it, guys, just so you know. Look at that. I already used it once, so I definitely recommend this. This works really well. You just use this right here, and I like the fact that they give us this. I don't like to put my fingers in there personally. I have like an ick for it. But you put this on, put it on your lips, or you can even put it like that and then put it on your lips so you don't touch this. And it's kind of more sanitized way of using this. It smells really good. It kind of smells like honey, but I really like this. It does moisturize my lip. It is a nice lip mask. I know I seen this on Amazon and it was way more than on Temu. This is like $2, and on Amazon I seen one of these for like $12, but it is so nice and moisturizing, very comfortable on the lips, and it doesn't feel thick or anything. It just feels so nice, moisturizing. Just smells really nice, and I love the little detail they have. It's so cute. Looks like a little honeybee. Look at this, guys. And then when you're done, clip that back in like so. Super cute. I know this definitely I'm gonna use. With Temu, it's always a good day when I get their items. I'm always super excited, very surprised. I'm just loving it. One thing I do want to say, guys, is that I noticed that Shein is really trying to compete with Temu because their items are, some of it now is getting like really cheap, and they have flash sales. They end up being like 5 cents, 7 cents, 50 cents, and I'm like, what's going on, Shein? So they are, I feel like, competing because they know what they're doing. So you guys might want to check out Shein as well. I'm just saying, because I know they're not trying to lose their business to Temu, but Temu is just amazing. I'm always loving it and I'm always happy with it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's Temu haul. If you guys did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Click that notification bell. And until next time, remember, God bless. Ciao!